I am Margaret. I am from Chateau Marguerite, Island Spice Grill Restaurant. I'm the head chef there. And today I'm going to be cooking up some callaloo. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a simple procedure. So I'm going to be beating my tomato here. I have my scallion and my peppers and my stuff all cut up and ready. I'm going to be sauteing my scallion. Sauteing the scallion. Turn the
And that's scallion, black pepper, and
scallion,
there we go.
pimento.
Pimento, yes.
Yeah, and that I'll be sauteing to make sure that that fragrance is out of it. Then I'll be adding my callaloo. My callaloo. Make sure it's all
Okay,
washed
now,
and clean.
okay, wait a minute. Now that's the callaloo you talked about earlier, right?
Yes, yes.
And you're going to be adding the callaloo to that?
Yes. And it's all washed already.
That's a lot of callaloo you had in there,
A lot of callaloo.
but it's going to shrink, isn't it?
When it's cooked, it's like a handful. So now it's going to steam. And give him a chance. And you steam him open. Open. So you're going to get in all the seasoning from the bottom. All around it, sauteed. All that's,
Now what are you adding now?
I'm adding some black pepper to it.
Okay.
I'm going to add a little salt to it.
And,
Taste.
and now we're adding salt to it,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay.
And again, I'm going to saute all that I add. Notice it's not as high as it was before. It's going down. Not as high as it was.
So Margaret,
Yes.
back home I'm used to eating my greens. I love my greens. So I eat turnip greens, I eat mustard greens, I eat chard, I eat kale, I eat all this stuff, and everybody says that's like the best stuff in the world for you. Is callaloo comparable to that?
It's like it comparable to turnip green.
Turnip greens.
Yes.
So it's real healthy for
It's
you.
real healthy.
Because callaloo is the greens I see on every menu in Jamaica.
Yes, it is. It is. It is one of our most used greens. Morning time for breakfast, daytime a little bit on the side. It have iron in the body. You know the body needs lots of iron. So this is full of iron. Callaloo here is full of iron. But then you have to make sure you don't overcook it. To make sure that all the... Notice it's making its own water. But I didn't add any to it. I didn't add nothing like water to it. So all that water comes from the green.
Back home we call that pot liquor.
Yes,
And
that's what it
they
is.
say it's the best part of the whole thing, and they'll pour it out down the sink.
That's the best part of it.